Hi, I'm attorney Andrew Thomas. Welcome back to the Deposition. We have a really special episode today with two of our amazing clients that have been with the firm for a little while. And we wanted to go a little bit over their story and the journey they faced in immigration court. I'm joined here by their primary attorney here at the firm, Blake Allen, who did an outstanding job on this case. And we really hit the gold here. And it's something that can be unusual in immigration courts. People face long odds when they're in court. And we know that the government is seeking these deportations, and not everybody gets that happy ending. But here we are. So why don't you go over it a little bit with us?
Yeah, absolutely. So this was a special case for me. Our clients, they worked closely with me throughout the entire process. Just to let you all know some background, they're originally from Turkey, and they did face political persecution back in their home country. That's the basis of their claim. They've been with us for almost a year now, and we have just recently had their final individual hearing in immigration court, which is a quicker turnaround than normal. But in this case, it was a happy accident in a way because we were able to win their asylum claim, and they're now safe here in the United States for the rest of their lives.
So first of all, congratulations, guys.
Thank you. It was all your and your team's, Mr. Allen, specifically support, and you made it a great success. Without you, we wouldn't be able to. We were very anxious. I'm not going to talk, I'm going to let my husband talk most of the way, but in general, you worked with us, you led us the correct way in every step of the way. So you made it a great success, so we appreciate your efforts and everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you both for working with me and helping make it a success. A lot of people think that it's just the attorney doing all of the work, but a lot of times it also takes a team effort, and you were part of the team here.
Absolutely. So I want to get your thoughts a little bit because you guys have now been through the gauntlets, talking about some of the anxieties and emotions that you went through in immigration court. And as you saw your hearings coming up, whether it was your preliminaries, your masters, all the way to the individual where you knew you were going to have to testify. I want to go over kind of what that journey's felt like for you.
Let me translate very short. Bu en başından itibaren her aşamasında geçtiğiniz diyor. En başından sonuna kadar. O hikayeyi bana biraz anlatın. Yani nasıl?
Hedefimiz var. O hedefimiz zaten bizi ayakta tutardı. Ve ona şimdi kavuştuk.
It was very complicated because going through this time we had the feeling of security somehow, but it was not certain. We always went back and relived the things that we were trying to run away from. And we always were in the edge of feeling safe or reliving those moments. And at the final stage, once we heard the final decision, that was the time that we are now feeling 100% safe.
Yeah.
Obviously, winning your case is a great way to feel 100% safe. And during the process, was there anything that really stood out to you as far as something that impacted you the most, other than getting your asylum granted? Like, what was the feeling like in the transition during the case? Like, how did you feel each step along the way?
Bu süreç içerisinde adım adım giderken hangi noktaları düşünüyorsun seni en fazla?
Kendi zaten başından sonuna kadar iyi hissediyorsun.
Since we started seeing you, we started to feel safe and secure, thinking that we are taking the correct steps, definitely in the right direction. So that reduced our stress and anxiety, knowing that the best is being done in the best way it can be done, and above.
Biz geldiğimizde, daha gelmeden önce sen burada avukatlarla görüşüyordun. O dönemi anlat. O dönemde ben hepsine ayrılıyordum. Onlarla çalışmaya başladım.
It's a very funny story. Before they entered here, I was in the United States and I came here by myself first to receive your consultation. And we were not ready at that time. Obviously, they were not here to apply for asylum, but I knew that I wanted to work with you because I knew that I was hearing the truth. I was speaking with many attorneys. I heard different, and they are away. I'm under stress, but you are looking for that truth. And you want to hear good or bad, whatever the truth is, so you can take the correct steps. So that was the reason why I said we definitely need to go back there for the asylum case. And he's saying the same thing. Since we have been here, your professionalism, the fact that we are feeling secure here is because of the way you are taking the cases and informing us and understanding what we are going through. So all of these things all together, you're definitely contributing to humanity in a big way, and we are very appreciative of that. He was saying the same thing. Since we came here, we started feeling secure just because of just knowing that the right steps are being taken made us feel more secure. I don't want to go over it, but I really appreciate your work. That's what I'm trying to come across there.
I appreciate it.
Very
Thank
nice
you.
of you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Sen 5-6 yere gitmiştin, beni aramıştın. Ve ben hepsine hayır demiştim. Bunlar işi bilmem, çalışamayız. Profesyonel cevaplar vermemişlerdi. Biz buradan aldığımız cevap, sen buraya da geldin. Buradan aldığımız cevap bizi tamamen etkilemiş. Tabii orasıymış.
He's reiterating the fact that we have been through many different roads. We wanted to hear opinions, obviously, but he also told me every time when I was translating information, informing him about how my meetings went, he was saying no to all of them. But when I came here and explained him, he decided to work with you as well from that time.
That's great. Well, thank you very much. I mean, we've worked hard on our craft and what we do here, and all of our attorneys here have that professional background that we've always looked for, including Attorney Allen here. So he's one of our stars here. So, but I wanted to go through what's some advice you would give to other people that are in immigration court right now, and maybe they have these anxieties, and you've made it successfully through. What advice would you provide to them in dealing with it all?
Sizin gibi aynı yerde olan insanlar var diye onlara nasıl bir tavsiye verirsiniz?
Nasıl?
Tabii ki herkesin yaşadığı çok kötü şeyler var. Ve onların gerçek yardıma ihtiyacı var. Bunu bilmeleri lazım, kabullenmeleri lazım. Ya bildiklerini kabullenmeliler. Gerçek yardıma ihtiyaçları var ve doğru yer burası.
I'll translate this. He's saying everyone who's in this situation is going through and went through terrible things, and they do really need correct professional help, which they can find here. I want to translate that section. He says that they need to accept the fact that they need help. Sometimes it's different. Knowing and accepting might be different. If they really accept the fact that they need help so they can work together to receive help, I think that's what they need to really internalize in themselves to take the further steps.
So what does the future look like for you guys?
Gelecek nasıl gözüküyor sizin için diyor.
Çok parlak.
Very bright. We are in shock a little bit. We just heard our good
News and obviously everything is going to be great. We have been planning with our son. We are planning everything, but every time when we try to take a step, we always obviously held back ourselves, saying, let's get through this step and then we can make the permanent place. Now we are free, so we can take all the steps that we want and to...
The American dream. This is, I know that from my best friend Daniel. He told me about American dream. And I feel me like in a dream now. It is not, I cannot really, it is, so it's feeling, I have this feeling I'm in a dream. And I live in my dream. This is security, this is freedom. Everything that we have here, but we living in a Turkey was very, very, very bad. And 3 years long. And this was very strong and wrong to fight. And now I feel me like really free. And I'm a good family father, and my wife is a good mother, and we have not the biggest goals, but just freedom, just to say I'm at home. That this feeling, that this is in our soul, this is in our body, this is in our brain, heart. In every single moment, we're feeling that. And we're missing this feeling since 3-4 years. And this is now 5 years, 25 years. 5 years we're missing this feeling to be free or to feeling the free. It's just, I don't have words for that.
Well, welcome home.
Thank you very much.
It's powerful testimony like this and clients like you guys that just remind me why I got into this in the first place, doing this type of work and making the difference that we can. But can't be any more happy for you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for trusting us with your process and what little part we could play in your journey. But we're so happy and optimistic for your future.
Thank you. We were extremely lucky to have found you, to be honest. We couldn't have, and it would have been a totally different result. It was a chance. I see it as a luck. Definitely, we appreciate everything.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for everything. Thank you very much. And thank you very much.
Absolutely.
You are the best.
Yes, thank you.
I'll make sure to tell Andrew that later.
We already know.